Hello. In today's class, we'll be discussing about the quality and quality control. आज का क्लास में हम क्वालिटी क्या होता है, किस लिए होता है, what is the purpose of quality control, all these things we are going to explain, discuss today. Okay. So, by definition, what is a quality? Quality it is a very common word we are using. We can hear every system, in every system. People go for the quality for any product, for any process, for any service, for any training. We talk about the word quality. Customers, we are some customers' choice conforming to the specifications. That is called the quality. Okay. So it does not mean the quality of only the quality of products. सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट का होता नहीं होता है. Men, material, machine, process, system, training, anything. So nowadays in the business also we can see there are competitions going on. So many products are there. आपको अगर एक कार चाहिए, different type, different model का कार मार्केट में होता है. आपको कोई सोप चाहिए, डिफरेंट क्वालिटी, डिफरेंट स्मेल, डिफरेंट कॉस्ट का सोप अवेलेबल है. सो कस्टमर्स हैव a lot of choice to select. So how they will select a product or a service? So they see the quality. They want the best quality item with a cheap rate. So quality is very important for any product. Even our training system, the quality of the trainees or the skilled worker. So in our ITA system, the students are coming after completing the matriculation. They are undergoing the training. Training ke baad, they are becoming the skilled technicians, skilled workers. So what is the quality of the skilled worker? So that is determined by the quality of training. Okay, so there are so many process of production of any product in a training system. So there are so many steps or sequence we can say. Both sequence होते हैं. So right from we can say what do you call the design. Quality begins with the design of product in accordance with the customer specification. Design, or we can call it as a plan. So any production, any product, it starts with a design. What is design or planning? Before getting materialized, we can foresee about the प्रोडक्ट. हमारा प्रोडक्ट कैसे होना चाहिए, उसका क्वालिटी क्या होना चाहिए, कॉस्ट कितना होना चाहिए, कैसे, व्हाट शुड बी द स्पेसिफिकेशन. ऑल दिस थिंग्स वी कैन पुट इट ऑन ए पेपर और इन आवर माइंड. आदमी का माइंड में रहता है या पेपर में रहता है बिफोर इट इज गेटिंग मटेरियलाइज्ड. सो डिजाइन पार्ट इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट वी कैन से, or in fact we can say a design determines the quality of the products. Okay, so right from design, then we can say the use of proper material. Suppose it is a product of car is the product. Okay, so many materials are required for making a car. Selection of suitable manufacturing process, how we are going to produce the or manufacture the car. Okay, how the bodies are being manufactured, how they are being painted. So different processes are there. Just for an example, we can do a painting with a brush by hand, or we can do a spray painting. So that is the manufacturing process, the difference in manufacturing process. Okay, necessary tooling, what are the tools we are using? Very precise tools. Nowadays automatic machines working system is there, which eliminates the error, human error. पुराना जमाने में सब कुछ मैन पावर से होता था, आजकल सब मशीन से होती है, तो improvement is there. So the tooling for manufacturing the cutting tool, okay. So how precisely we can do the process by using the most sophisticated tools or machines. Okay, then necessary manufacturing operations and the inspection. Last class we have seen the inspection. Inspection मतलब whether the things are going as per the specification, as per the design, check करना है, test. That is called inspection. So inspection करना है. Yeah, all these things are the factors where the quality checking is required or where quality is required. Quality is required. Okay. So quality characteristics can be classified as follows, like these three steps are there: quality of design, quality of conformance with the specification, and quality of the performance. So let us do one by one. So quality design is a term. I told other word we can say planning, quality design or a planning. Okay, so why we want to do a planning, why we want to do designing? Suppose you want to produce market a new type of car. So what we have to do the first? So the first one is the market research or a market survey. Okay, what the customer needs. Many things we have to see. क्या क्या टाइप का कार आजकल मार्केट में है, कौन सा कार फेलियर है, कौन सा कार सक्सेसफुल है, सक्सेसफुल क्यों होता है, ओके, सो उसका स्पेसिफिकेशन क्या है, हाउ मच इज द कस्टमर्स सेटिस्फैक्ट्री लेवल, कितना सेटिस्फैक्ट्री है, हाउ मच सपोज customers will see both quality as well as the cost. Okay, some cars are costly, but quality is also okay, fine. Some cars are quality is less, but the cost is also less. Okay, what is the requirement of the customer? What is the means some statistics we have to survey, statistical survey we have to carry out. Okay, see, for example of vehicle, there are high starting torque and high mileage vehicles are there. If you go for a good torque, the mileage will be less. If you go for the good mileage, the torque will be less. So what is the customer requirement? That we can determine by using a tool that is called market research. So market research ka quality, how precisely you are doing market quality as research, how much it is close to the reality, that determines the quality of design. This is the first step. Then we have to go for a concept, which type you want to low cost product or high quality product, or compromising both to equally and you are going in the average. That is a concept. So that is called the quality of concept. Okay, then third one is translation. How we can put this two into the reality. Then we have to go for a selection of specification of the product. Okay, so that is the ultimate because the specification is going to be checked by the customer. Quality of specification, that is the quality of or that is the satisfaction of the customer. So market survey quality, quality of concept, and the quality of specification. These are the three arms, we can say, or separate terms of steps in a common progression of the quality of design activities. Okay, now we for the quality of performance, sorry. Performance, the design must reflect the needs of fitness for use. Okay, It is conforming to, it's not confirm, it is to conforming to the design. We have already selected the design, we have already selected the specification. During performance, during the production, that is whether these things are conforming to the specification. That is the second one. Okay, this extent of conformance is determined by the variables like choice of process. Okay, whether they are able to hold some tolerance. What is tolerance? Tolerance क्या होता है? टॉलरेंस मान लीजिए, देखिए आपका ब्रिज, यू आर ब्रेकिंग ए ब्रिज, तो ब्रिज का लोड बियरिंग कैपेसिटी होता है, कितना वेट वेदर बेयर कर सकते हैं, इसका थोड़ा अप और डाउन और प्लस और माइनस सम टन, मान लीजिए सम एक्स टन, plus or minus some kgs. That is called the tolerance. That is within this limit. It is tolerable. It can be usable, or we can count it as a quality one. Okay. So then suppose frequency, setting the frequency of an electrical system. The frequency 50 hertz plus or minus 1%, yeah, 0.5%. That is called the tolerance. So whether these things are within the tolerance or not, whether it is going out of the tolerance, कोई tolerance का बाहर जा रहा है, ये आपको देखना है. So this is the during process. Then training of the supervision and the workforce both. आपको supervisory कैडर भी अच्छा होना चाहिए या workforce को भी अच्छा होना चाहिए. इसको training, how best you can make the product. Okay, then the degree of adherence to the program of inspection, testing, auditing, etc. So inspection, the last class we have seen, that is a unavoidable part of a production. Production का time में inspection का जरूरत है. That is to ensure the quality, or to control the quality, or to point out or suggest the methods of improving the quality or maintaining the quality. So आपको inspection आप avoid कर सकते हैं. Production में आपका cost of production कम हो जाएगा. But that is not the way. So quality can be determined by the proper inspection, testing, auditing, etc. So how much you are strict to the inspection point or a testing point. So that also determines the quality. Okay, so higher quality of conformance can be attained with an accompanying reduction in the cost. See, quality means, it doesn't mean only the quality of the product, how best is the product, but if the customer is getting the best product in a cheaper rate, so that altogether also we can call it as a quality. So quality is good when the product is very best, simultaneously आपका जो उसका cost है वो भी कम है. Okay, that is called quality of conformance. Then control. What is the meaning of control? That is the process through which the standards are established and met with the standard. That is called control. So any standard it is predetermined. अब पहले standard set किया है. आपका गाड़ी का टॉर्क इतना है, आपका गाड़ी का माइलेज इतना है. नाउ प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस चल रहा है, इसके बाद आपको प्रोडक्ट का ऐसा प्रोडक्ट बाहर आ रहा है. सो आपको चेक करना है, आपको चेक करके इतना माइलेज, जितना हमने प्लानिंग किया, जितना हमने डिजाइनिंग में देखा है, उतना आपको माइलेज मिल रहा नहीं है, दैट आपको कंट्रोल करना है. If this is not meeting, again there some controlling are required. So where is the fault? First you have to find out. Inspection is to be carried out. Then you have to do the controlling. Okay, why the mileage has gone down? Why the torque has gone down? Why the trainees have scored below 50% marks? Then the process which rectifies this problem, or which is the process which is required to maintain the standard, that is called control. Okay, that is a process or a tool we can say. So it consists of observing our activity performance, how the production is going on, how the training is going on, observe करना है, comparing the performance with some standard. Already हमने standard set किया है. The training should get minimum 80% marks. That is a standard. So after training activities, हमको self assessment करना है. As a teacher, you have to do the self assessment. अगर inspection means you can carry out a class test में trainings आपको 60% mark में रुक गया, तो आपको then you have to find out what is the reason. So 80% is the standard you have set, 60% is the result. So you require some controlling activity by giving extra training, by motivating them. Like this, so many controlling tools you can use. अब tool use करके उसको standard में पहुंचाना है. So that is called the control. You have to see the difference between the standard you have set and the actual performance. Okay. So the control process involves some steps, we can say. Okay. Number one is choose the control subject. आपको control subject choose करना है. Then आपको एक unit of measurement होना चाहिए. Then आप standard set करते हैं. Then वो standard पहुंच रहा है नहीं पहुंच रहा है measurement करने के लिए आपको एक sensing device चाहिए. Then आपको actual performance क्या है, standard क्या है, difference देखना है. Then some corrective action करना है. मान लीजिए आपको हमारा ट्रेनिंग सिस्टम है. सो ट्रेनिंग सिस्टम में आपको चूज द कंट्रोल सब्जेक्ट. सो ट्रेनीज आर द सब्जेक्ट. ओके. सो उनका प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज कितना है, सो आपको चेक करना है. दैट इज यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट, प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज सो फार गेट. ओके. देन setting a standard value. A trainee should get 80% mark in the practical examination. That is a standard. Okay. Then you are conducting a test. That is called sensing device. How we can check whether the trainees have attained the practical knowledge by conducting a practical test. So a practical test conduct कर रहा है, that is called the sensing device you are using to measure the standard of the training. Okay. Then after conduct during the examination or test, how much they are scoring the mark. You are doing the evaluation. Evaluation करके उतना उसको कितना mark मिला है. Then interpret the difference between the actual and standard. आपको कितना actual performance के अनुसार कितना mark मिला है और आपने standard कितना set किया है, ये दोनों का difference आपको देखना है. Then taking action. Practical, if the trainee is scoring very less mark than the standard, then you have to go for corrective action like giving extra practical practices, or calling them beyond the working hours, or motivating them, or asking them what is the problem. Like so many correctives. So this is applicable to any production, any product. Okay, measurement, you have to set the measurement that we can call the, otherwise we can call it as a feedback also. There are feedbacks. Okay, so even one particular machine, if you take the outputs are coming, outputs, then you can check the measurement, you can measure the output. Okay, then that can be given back to the input, that is the feedback. Then whatever the correction is required, that will be automatically done. Okay, so this is the steps, these are the steps of the control process. Quality control means the controlling means any standard you are defined. The quality control means all together. Quality means quality of design, quality of performance, quality of raw material, quality of production, quality of the machine you are using, quality of the inspection, all together the final quality. Okay, so controlling of all these activities together, we can call it as a quality control. आपको all the system, सारे सिस्टम में आपको कंट्रोल रखना है. सब कंट्रोल करके द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट का क्वालिटी कितना है वो कंट्रोल करने के लिए, that is called quality control, can be defined as the industrial management technique by means of which product of uniform acceptable quality is manufactured. Ultimately, customer satisfaction is the most important one. Okay, so they do not see the quality of production process or the raw material you have purchased, nothing. They see only the end product. सो क्वालिटी ऑफ एंड प्रोडक्ट का जो क्वालिटी में पहुंचने के लिए आपको डिजाइन से लेकर प्रोसेस लेकर मेजरमेंट टूल लेकर सब कुछ लेकर आपको देखना पड़ेगा और क्वालिटी फाइनल क्वालिटी आपको इंश्योर करना है. सो ऑल टुगेदर वी कैन से इट इज ए क्वालिटी कंट्रोल. So what are the factors affecting the quality of a product or a system? So in any system we have men, material and machine. Okay, the quality of good workmanship, good standard materials and the precise machines determine the quality. आज सबको पता है. Okay, इसमें से कोई भी एक चीज आपको मान लीजिए आपको ईट बनाना है, ब्रिक्स बनाना है. अगर आपका रॉ मटेरियल जो क्ले है उसमें वो मटेरियल क्वालिटी अच्छा नहीं है तो आपको ब्रिक का भी क्वालिटी अच्छा नहीं होगा. The person who is making the brick, if he is not qualified, is not a skilled worker, he doesn't have a competency in that, so it is going to affect the quality. Similarly, machines. So machine आपका substandard machine है, तो machine का output भी less quality का ही हो. Then manufacturing conditions, how you are going to, the atmosphere you can see. Okay, how you are going to manufacture all these things. So good atmosphere is required to get a good quality of material item product. Okay, then market research and demand of purchases. So market research we have seen that is the initial stage activity. आपका जो मार्केट रिसर्च में फॉल्ट आ गया, आपका जो मार्केट का वी कैन से पल्स, अगर पल्स रॉन्गली असेस किया है तो ऑफ कोर्स आप उस असेसमेंट का ऊपर आपका प्रोडक्ट बनाएगा, so ultimately that will not be accepted by the customer or that cannot be sold out in the market. The most another important one is the money incapability to invest. Okay, I want to produce a very good quality item, but if I do not have money to invest, I will compromise with the quality. Okay, so see, in the market you can see so many branded items ceiling fan. So many branded items ceiling fan. Okay, the motor is of good quality. The winding is used. The winding used in this was of good copper. But at the same time, you can see ceiling fans of less cost with less quality also available in the market. Okay, those persons who cannot invest much money in drawing good quality of materials to make the ceiling fan, they will compromise with the quality of raw material. Then definitely their item product also will be having less quality. So money is a important criteria. आपको पैसा ज्यादा है, आप अच्छा मटेरियल्स खरीदोगे, अच्छा वर्कमैन, अच्छा मशीन्स होगा, तो आपका प्रोडक्ट भी अच्छा होगा. Next is management policy for quality level. See, quality level, very big factory if you take. Okay, what should be the quality? That is the management policy. You cannot, they will not, the system cannot go beyond that. So management decides. Okay, so that is they will have a policy. So they will see so many things, so many right from market survey, availability of material. Okay, so how best they can make, how much they are targeting for the profit. So based on all these things, they will set a standard suitable to them or conforming to their policy. So quality level also अलग-अलग different होता है. Production methods and product design, of course, how you are making the product and design. So I told design सबसे पहले है. तो डिजाइन का ऊपर भी होता है इफेक्ट। ओके, अगर आपका डिजाइन ही खराब हो गया, इफ यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग ए हाउस, okay, you're arranging number of rooms, kitchens, stuff, everything in a manner which is suitable to that place, which is suitable to that owner. Okay, but if some प्रॉब्लम अगर आपका गलत हो गया, गलती से कुछ चेंज हो गया, डिजाइन में प्रॉब्लम हो गया, आप घर बनाने के बाद आप डिजाइन चेंज करने से भी कोई फायदा नहीं है। तो आपका डिजाइन अगर क्वालिटी पे नहीं है तो ऑफ कोर्स आपका प्रोडक्ट भी क्वालिटी नहीं हो। ओके, then packing and transportation, glass items are there। okay, so like these things, how best you are packing, how best you are transporting, इसका क्वालिटी, suppose you are making furniture, after packing and transportation, if the furnitures of having scratches and all reach into customers and how it looks. So it depends upon the packing and transportation. Another important point is after sales service. After sales का आजकल क्या है, customers will see इसका after sales service है क्या। पहले इतना लोग नहीं सोचता था। If you are purchasing an AC, if you go for purchasing an AC, definitely you will see the quality, you will check for the quality of AC also, cost of AC also. Same time, equally you will see whether any servicing center is there nearby, whether it has a guarantee, whether they will be able to come for the service as and when required. So after sales service also, so normally we say quality is right from design to the end product package of the product. But nowadays it's not like that. It is after sales service also included. After sales service अगर quality में count करता है. Okay, so that also a company, a manufacturer should see whether they can attend any problem arises even after the sales. So guarantee, nowadays people will see the guarantee. Guarantee and warranty are more important. So objectives of quality control, by the purpose why it is quality control required, already explained. To decide about the standard of quality of product that is easily acceptable to the customer. So acceptance of customer is called actually the quality. Okay, what a customer need, a customer को क्या चाहिए? Okay, so a customer अगर चाहता है कार का स्टाइल अच्छा होना है, कॉस्ट कितना भी हो। कस्टमर अगर चाहता है स्टाइल में, आई एम नॉट वरीड अबाउट द स्टाइल, आई एम वरीड अबाउट द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द कार। Performance in the sense speed, mileage, torque, or the convenience available, okay, or human comfort inside the car. Okay, so sometimes customer will see, I want a car, but I do not want a much ज़्यादा आपको कोई नहीं चाहिए, हाई स्टाइल का नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, मेरा पॉकेट का अनुसार होना चाहिए कार। It should be suitable to my pocket money. So like this, customer satisfactory levels are there. So customer का satisfactory का level पे पहुंच रहा है नहीं है, ये आपको, that is the number one objective of the quality control. Number two, to check the variation during the manufacturing. अगर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का टाइम में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कैसे होना है, कितना टाइम पे होना चाहिए, पर डे कितना प्रोडक्ट बाहर आना चाहिए, ये सब ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड है। अगर इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ गया, क्यों हो गया, वेरिएशन कितना है, ये हमको चेक करना है, बिकॉज दिस इज अल्टीमेटली गोइंग टू अफेक्ट द कॉस्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट। ओके, द थर्ड वन इज टू प्रिवेंट द पुअर क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स आर रीचिंग टू द कस्टमर। कस्टमर का पास कोई बैड क्वालिटी या सबस्टैंडर्ड आइटम नहीं पहुंचना चाहिए। Whatever we have decided, whatever the firm decided, that quality item only should reach to the hands of the customer. So these are the objectives of quality control. Statistical quality control, SQC. What is statistics? See, quality, how we can control. We have seen the inspection topic. You can do 100% inspection. You can do sampling also. Okay. So sampling means how you do the sampling inspection. Batch-wise inspection will be there. Okay. Will so many batches will be products will be made into so many batches. Okay, one item from each batch, for just for an example, one item from each batch will be taken. Okay, then if it is found the one of the batch item is found of less quality or substandard one, we take another one from the same batch. That is some calculation will be like survey we do will be carried out. Then that is called the statistical quality control. Okay, well, some statistical techniques we are using to control the quality. Okay, we cannot check all those things one by one. Okay, so we can reduce the inspection cost also. Okay, that is called statistical quality control. Okay, that is applicable to production, purchase of raw material, timing, everything. ओके आपका प्रोडक्ट अगर 100 प्रोडक्ट्स पर डे पहुंचना है नए आज 95 में रुक गया कल yesterday it was 100% like this so कंट्रोल करना चाहिए कंट्रोल करना चाहिए why what is the problem so all these things we can see the quality control and if the method that is the statistical methods are used that is called statistical quality control okay. A successful SQC program is expected to yield the following results. हम किस लिए SQC conduct करना है? So we expect some result. So number one, as you know, this is improvement of quality. Quality improvement होना चाहिए, not quality maintenance. So statistical quality control process करेगा तो आप how you can improve the quality of the product. Okay, reduction of scrap and rework. So क्वालिटी कंट्रोल इसलिए चाहिए आपको स्क्रैप वेस्ट कम होना चाहिए प्रोडक्शन के बाद अगर आप क्वालिटी चेक करेगा प्रोडक्शन का टाइम में आप चेकिंग अवॉइड करेगा so that is going to lead to a increase of scrap and again the rework so that both is leads to the material loss and time loss money loss etc. Okay, efficient use of men and machine. So quality control is required. आपको how best you can put your men behind the machine. How best you can use the work service of the machine, etc. Okay, so efficient use. Then economy in use of materials. Okay, especially in the cutting of sheets, plywood sheet, glass sheet, etc. etc. When you are cutting to make some product. Okay, so as per the planning, if you cut, you can avoid the wastage of material. That's called economy in use of the material. Okay, removing production bottleneck. What is bottleneck? Some difficulties, unexpected difficulties coming, which you are not able to get through. ओके सो उसको कंडक्ट कर आप क्वालिटी कंट्रोल प्रोसेस में पड़ जाएगा तो आपको बॉटल नेक एंटिसिपेट कर सकता है या जहां पे बॉटल नेक है उसको रिमूव भी कर सकता है यू कैन सॉल्व दैट टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम ओके डिक्रीज्ड इंस्पेक्शन कॉस्ट इंस्पेक्शन इज एन एक्टिविटी which adds cost to the product आपका प्रोडक्ट इसलिए कॉस्टली हो जाता है उसमें इंस्पेक्शन कॉस्ट भी होता है तो क्वालिटी कंट्रोल इसलिए चाहिए कि आपको इंस्पेक्शन कॉस्ट भी रिड्यूस कर सकता है एक चीज आपको 2 बार इंस्पेक्ट करना पड़ता है दैट इज इंक्रीजिंग द कॉस्ट आपका कॉस्ट इंक्रीज हो जाएगा तो सही इंस्पेक्शन में आपको सही क्वालिटी कंट्रोल प्रोसेस में आपको नंबर ऑफ इंस्पेक्शन रिड्यूस कर सकता है और इंस्पेक्शन कॉस्ट भी रिड्यूस कर सकता है So ultimately reduction cost per unit. तो क्वालिटी कंट्रोल इसलिए चाहिए कि आपको वेस्टेज ऑफ मटेरियल, हमने पहले देखा वेस्टेज ऑफ मटेरियल कम कर सकता है, effective use of material, use of economical use of materials, reduction of production, removing of bottleneck. All together, it will affect the cost per unit. So you can sell your product with a less cost. Okay. Then scientific evaluation of tolerance. So how much you can set the tolerance level. वो टॉलरेंस का बाहर जा रहा है, विद इन द टॉलरेंस रेंज में है, ये सब आपको साइंटिफिकली इवेल्युएट करना है। करने के लिए आपका क्वालिटी स्टैटिस्टिकल क्वालिटी कंट्रोल हेल्प करेगा। ओके, साइंटिफिक इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ क्वालिटी एंड प्रोडक्शन, ओके, दैट आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन। क्वालिटी कॉन्शियसनेस एट ऑल लेवल्स। Okay, so every stage, if you are adopting quality control methods, so there will be a quality consciousness among the workers, among the supervisors, among the management, right from the beginning to the last. आपको हर स्टेज में एक क्वालिटी कॉन्शियस होगा, मेरा मशीन में इतना परफेक्शन चाहिए, ओके, मेरा पैकेज में इतना परफेक्ट पैकेज होना चाहिए, रॉ रॉ मटेरियल का क्वालिटी ऐसे रहना चाहिए। कॉन्शियस, सबका कॉन्शियसनेस एक लाइन में अलाइनमेंट हो जाएगा, तो फाइनली इट विल लीड टू ए प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ए गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट। ओके, so reduction in customer complaints. So customer are more important. So you can reduce the customer complaint by using the scientific method of SQC. Okay, so next is quality of any product affected at many stages of the industrial cycles. Okay, so what are the factors going to affect the quality? Already you have seen, but see marketing. It is where the level of quality customers want. Already, whatever the money they are spending, वो मनी वर्थ होना चाहिए। तो आपका जो प्रोडक्ट है वो मनी वर्थ होना चाहिए, दैट इज कॉल्ड द मार्केटिंग। इंजीनियरिंग, सो रिड्यूसेस दिस मार्केटिंग इवैल्यूएशन टू एक्सैक्ट स्पेसिफिकेशन। आपको मार्केट सर्वे से आप एक डिसीजन में पहुंच रहा है, तो that is now converted into the product by selecting a specification. So that is called the engineering side section, we can say. So the next set specification में पहुंचना है। Purchasing, chooses contract, retains vendors for parts and material, raw materials आपको tools, machines से purchase करना है। ये अगर आप इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो भी उसका क्वालिटी अफेक्ट करेगा। Manufacturing, selection of jigs, tools, etc., machines. Okay, then manufacturing supervision and shop operated. So expert supervisions are required. So if the supervisory cadre is not competent, it is going to affect the production process. So finally, it will affect the quality of the product. Okay. The mechanical inspection and function test are check conformance to specification. Do after process, you have to carry out some inspection or functional test, we say, before packing, before it is going to the customer. There is a test, function test involved. You have to see shipping, how accurately, how safely you are doing packaging and transportation. Okay, then how effectively you are going to develop an AC, air conditioner, fridge, etc. How you are going to install in the customer's place. Okay, so all these things are going to affect the quality of the product. Okay, so that is all about the quality and quality control. Okay, thank you.